Hello. Ouch, my back. Hurt my back. Shoot. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, so I want to go to Roblox Studio. Hello. Welcome, guys. So, this is going to be a fast, quick video. So, when, the guy, I forgot his name. Toby. Yeah, Toby. Yeah, he, wanted to know how to keep this on. Pretty simple, actually. Um, so, like, I don't know if you went through the scripts, but I told you you can learn a thing or two by looking through the scripts. I'll make a tutorial videos about how they work anyway, but, just not that one. It's the one that says local script. See, like frame, local frame equals script dot parent wait for child frame. It's just waiting for this frame to like be true. Like it's there. If this frame's not there, then it's not going to run. So we're just waiting for this frame. See this right here. This is the frame. So like Control Z. Hold on. Delete. I deleted the frame. So yeah. Hold on. Local script. So I made it so like this is the name of the variable of the no, hold on, wrong one. Where is it? Shoot. What the frick? What the frick? What the heck I did with it? Huh? Oh my gosh. Script. Was it in the script? Oh yeah, it's right here. Okay, so this is the frame, right? Currently, it's visible. Like the visibility of it is equal to false. So that's what you mean by disappear. Oh wait, no, hold on. Yeah, it's true. So that's what you mean by disappear because it's invisible. Like it's no, hold on. No. Yeah, it's by default it's invisible. The visibility is equal to false. When the player joins the game, or when this event runs, and the event runs when the server script runs when see like server script one, the script local script one, uh, it runs by default, and then like when the player clicks the button, this runs. Anyways, local frame goes to that frame. Just remove this. Hold on. Um, Here I'll just this. No, Control Z, Control Z. Hold on, not that one. Frame not visible equals false. That's true. Yeah, I want to keep that. Oh no, actually, you don't even need to mess with that. Yeah, don't mess with that. Hold on. You have to go to. Oh yeah, right here. Script up parent frame destroy. See like script up parent frame because this right here is the frame. So like every single time the player clicks, it launches an event to this script, and this script plays the script that destroys this frame when the player clicks the button. So like when the player clicks the button, the frame gets removed, so like, it gets destroyed. Script. Go back here. All you got to do is just move that script frame, and I'll just publish this as a new thing. So open source to create. Cool. Okay, awesome. That's fantastic. We're gonna give it a try. Go to get this at the. My gosh, I'm gonna push play. Ah, it wouldn't hurt to like request anything, man. I don't mind helping out with anything at all. Like just ask me and I'll freaking make it. Just saying. So perma event death event has activated. All right, cool. Perma event death event is off. Cool. Doesn't disappear. I'm spamming the thing. Reset. I die. Respawn. Permadeath event. I die. Something's wrong. What's wrong here? I don't understand. Characters, band script. Shoot. Oh no, it's activated. Okay. Reset. I'm gonna go to output because something's not right. Huh. That's odd. That's very odd. Starting. So yeah, I don't know what to say to that. Hmm, hmm. Frame destroy. I don't understand. Huh? Well, I think there's some lag. So like, I don't mean like game lag. I mean like some lag between tween position script. The print pass. So I'm gonna push play. Just okay. I'm gonna go push view properties. No, not properties. Outputs. I'm gonna push off. I'm going to wait until the thing goes back. Huh. Oh, silly me. Yeah. Jeez. Permissions. Permissions. Monetization, data, local security, allow data. Enable studio access to game services such as data stores. Save. Okay, we're gonna push play. And actually, hold on. Go to no, not that. Um, I'm just gonna turn this into this, or like that's not my idea, but just to show you that it wouldn't pop up for other players, as you can see, unless I push another one right there. Okay, not that. Right here, one play. So I'm certain it's gonna work. If I were to push off, Okay. And I push spam. Okay. And I were to reset. There we go. Alright, yeah, so look, it still works. Oh man, you got me scared for a second. And this will work like for in-game too. So I'm going to go set this up for it to be edited by other players, and you can go have this version too. I chose not to go edit the first version because I guess people like the version and they don't want it to be changed. So yeah, and that includes the video. Bye.